Hi friends, I'm back and this time we are discussing periodic table and the elements. The periodic table is where the elements are arranged in increasing atomic number. The periodic table has 18 vertical groups and 7 horizontal periods. The vertical groups are called vertical columns are called groups. The group 1 is alkali metals. Why are they called alkali metals? Because they dissolve in water to give an alkali with pH greater than 7. Similarly, group 2 is called alkaline earth metals because they are found in the earth's crust like calcium, magnesium, and they also dissolve in water to form alkali. The elements which are here in the dip of the periodic table are called transition metals. They are a very favorite topic in exam. The typical properties of transition metals are that they form colored compounds, variable valency, and they all act as catalysts. The group 7 are called halogens because they all form salts. Group 8 are inert gases which do not react with anybody because they have outermost shell full. Moving to these symbols are always the first alphabet of that particular element, could be from English, from Latin or German, Greek. The common symbols are given in the periodic table and have their full forms also given. Now when we get the symbols from the periodic table, it becomes easy to write a chemical formula. A chemical formula is a short way to write a compound. The subscript is a small number that is written below that element just to show how many of them are there. When we are balancing a chemical formula in an equation, it is written as a coefficient, which is a number in front of the symbol. Now, while naming the compounds of two elements, if it is only the two elements, we end it with IDE. For example, sodium sulfide, potassium oxide. But if along with the two elements there is an oxygen also, then the name ends with ATE. Sodium sulfate has sulfur and oxygen. Sodium nitrate has nitrogen and oxygen. In a chemical equation, we always write the reactants on the left hand side, an arrow pointing towards the product which is written on the right hand side. If there are more than one reactant or product, we separate them with a plus sign. The state symbols are always written in small letters and in a bracket. A gas is G, a liquid is L, a solid is S, and if a solid is dissolved in solution of water, it's called aqueous, AQ. A chemical change is represented as a chemical equation which is not reversible. New substances are formed, whereas a physical change are reversible and no new substances are formed. Hence, we can say chemical changes are permanent changes. Thank you. That's all for now.